Something.
So ato mga next mga lessons about morality, sexuality, mga moral issues sa society atong itakol. Pero na-struck ko atong salida ni Bruce Willis. Kita kailan ni Bruce Willis, the Die Hard. Kailan ka? Bruce Willis. Dili, Bruce Lee. Bruce Willis ba? Siya tong Arnold Schwarzenegger, Sylvester Stallone, Bruce Willis. So na siya movie, a war movie. Pagkahuman sa war, bidaog to sila pero dagan kayong casualties, dagan sacrifices na ito. Ako'y barguhon, magkakunang silpon nagbalik. Sabi na mo, gawa.
Yes.
Wala no. So, mingon na yun siya nga. At dili siya mingon ang caption niya, pang ending nga caption, ingon siya nga. Kanigit. The reason why evil triumph is because good men do nothing. Pagkadungog na ko ato, may reflect na yun ko deep within. Kaya nauwaw ko sa akong self. I feel so ashamed. I feel so unworthy sa kaning statement. That is so striking. Ang rason nga nung mudaog ang kadautan kay tungod ang mga maayong tao sama ninyo, sama nako. Parehato niya. Si katawa. Dili ikaw. Ako. Kay way gibuhat. Now, para makasabotan niyo, para mo effect ni sa atong life, and nindot magyud ni siyang meaning. Kinahanglan kada word masabtan nato. The reason why, kada mga tao, namatan na ba yung mga tao, nganong ang evil, mudaog. It's all around us and we can't do anything about it. We can, in some little ways, very low level na solution. But, mudaog yun ang evil eh. Naging mga matay, naging ma-rape, naging mga bungkag, terrorism, and so on. No? Right?
Yes.
Naging manikas, naging mga destruction na ito. Right, Bruce? Willis? Bruce? Evil triumph ba daw is because ito was good men.
Men do nothing.
Kung saan tayo pasabot sa good men, ito na siya i-define. Kung biblical nga good men, it means sa standard sa Ginoo, you are good. And being good sa standard sa Ginoo is not merely sitting down, pretty, and calm, and peaceful, and smiling, and nice. Dili makasa, dili mangawat, dili mo balikas. No, it doesn't mean that way. Uy, minaw mo. Usok kaya akong tingo, wag ako na minaw. Para ninyo. Oh. Yes. Kaya para sa Ginoo, ang kanang tao nga waray buhaton, di ba? Naras tumatong nga ba, di ko good, di ko evil. Di man ko mangilat. Di man ko mangawat, di man ko mapatay. I am a peaceful person, a nice person, daghan ko friends. I live a normal life. Right?
Yes.
I'm not evil. But for God, you are useless. You are useless, you are worthless. Kaya ang definition ni God sa good man, lahi sa ato na paglantaw, oh, mayo man to siya, may nang tawan na, oh. Lumon man na. Oh, wadyo ko kadungo ka na niya, nagkuhan. Oh, dautan mo. How can you judge him like that? You don't know him. God does. Ang problema sa tao is because our judgment is insufficient. The tools, the techniques, the system we use not sufficient. Di ba, Billie Jean? So Jesus said, naminaw ikaw, anong naglikod-likod mo kaya?
Dionel.
Kay Yesu Kristo miingon, kinahanglan, ako ka. Or dili ako. Whether you're hot or you're cold. Hot meaning, faithful ka na ako. Cold meaning, you're the enemy. You're evil. You kill. You lie. You violate God's law. Eh kung naa ka sa tunga, iluwa di ka. Ingon si Jesus. Ganahan ka, iluwa ka, marag ka play pa.
Dili.
Dudong! Uy! Hohoy! Daan ba ko? So, pagpaminaw ako galing siya, kita na ko siya, di ka paminaw. Ayaw, Leo! Ayaw. No. Kaya kung muliho ka, it means, magtabi na po ka, human mong liho. Yan, nahuman ako, di ba? Pointless. Right? Am I right? No, I'm doing this for you, not because kiganahan ko mga saba. Hindi ko ganahan mga saba, kapoy. Kusik sa oras. Balik ka.
Yes.
Kung iluwa ka sa Ginoo, ganahan ka?
Dili.
It means you're worthless, you're dirty. And those are people, nice sila but they don't believe in God. They don't do God's will. They don't serve God. They don't do extraordinary things. They're just normal people. Are you like that? We were like that. We are like that. That's why kung makasabot ani, we will feel guilty. We are good men and we do nothing. Why? We can't do anything without God. That's the reason why we can't do anything. We do nothing. Because no matter how we try, no matter what good intentions we have, we cannot execute what is good in the sight of God because we don't have the grace of God. And the grace of God comes from faith, hope, love for God. Hinay for God. Love your
Enemies.
Okay, amin ako, love yourself.
Yes.
Love your enemy.
myself.
So, one of the reason why dili makabuhat og good ang mga good men is because they're not ready to die for others. Do you agree?
Yes.
There's so many other reasons because you don't have grace of God, you're not faithful enough, no, you have sins. But there is just this one reason. Amina pa
Mina. Asa ni ka ba?
Dala ko yung story niya.
Yes.
You are not ready, almost nobody, almost all of us are not ready. Di ba, Billie Jean? To lay down our lives for others just like Jesus. Wala tayo cross. Anong wala tayo cross? Classroom. So na ko yung story. Mina, mo isang mina story. Nato yung contest na. Na swimming pool lang kayo. Nakatungog naman naman ling.
Mapay, mapay.
Itong dagagig buhaya ba?
Wala ba? Oo.
Kadamag na ka na.
Wala pa, uy.
Ayaw, sapa. Ay na lang eh.
Uy, wala pa may patuloy.
Nakainomdom ka, di ba? Nakainomdom ka, no? Nakainomdom ka. Ikaw, nakainomdom ka. Kato ba? Amerika, Japan, Philippines. Olay dagang buhayang. 1 million ang premyo. Yay! Amerika. Pag Amerika, swimmer si Juan. Yan na to niya. Phelps, Michael Phelps. Oh! Buhaya na ko na. Papa. I give up, man. Can't do it. Ya por arigatou gozaimasu. Konnichiwa. Chick. Chick na ito. Pag-ala niya, nagngangang kayo, araw. Oh, adios, senyor. Spanish na. Give up na yung mga tao. Walagi musungkulan na. Nagkagay buhaya swimming pool. Ulayat, teka na. Yato ka speak aside. $1 million. Sugot ka. Gutom kayo. Padol na ulit mga tao. Sus, may sound ito. Pshh! Paglalangoy ng Pinoy. Allah! Mga buhaya. Naturak ng mga buhaya. Ito natin, malangoy. Dagan mga buhaya dito. Wah, kanak ko pa. Pas-pas kay Pitli, wow. Dumog yung mga tao naman. Congratulations, kita kag 1 million. Natagay yung chiki, 1 million. Interview siya. Ikaw mo sa iyong kibuhat. Kuha niyang chiki, gisi ang chiki. Uy, gisi mo chiki. Kita itong nagtukmo na ko. Nagtukmo na ko. Lagot niya siya. It's not ready to die. It doesn't care about the money, you know?
Ayan, nililibre
And the reason why, and that is true, we are not even prepared to die for our own mothers.
Yes.
Are we? Be, kung naisunog, be, grabe di ko sila og. O yan ay mo mama dito, matabang kaunta, pero nasunog na parte sa iyong lawas. And you cannot go through. You have to run, niya dapat ma-third degree burn pag ka. Anay mo na. Makakalit ma. Would you do it?
No.
Easier said than done. If you say yes, testingan na to karon ako'y later. Kung makaya man ito.
I-zoom no?
Jesus was willing to die. Now, let us. Jesus fulfilled the statement. The reason why Jesus triumphed is because he is a good man. And he did something extraordinary. Everybody say extraordinary.
Extraordinary.
That is heroism. And I tell you, even now, mauwaw ko mo, I feel so ashamed coming across this statement once again. Because I felt I have not done enough. I wanted to. Do you want to do extraordinary things?
Yes.
You can't do it without God.
Yes.
Take note of that. Take note of that. Are you taking notes?
Yes, sir. Wala na yung papel.
Take note of that. Yes, sir. Take note. Put it in your mind, your heart. Take note.
Serious. Yes.
I'm serious, class. All right, that ends our lesson.